let me give you a step-by-step plan to build a facility that aligns with your vision, meets your long-term goals, and avoids enormous debt. Are you ready? Here's how. First, rent. When you're just starting off, you can rent a building to meet your immediate needs. Be sure to take into account things like fire codes and maximum occupancy. That way, you don't just have room for your current members, but also room to grow. Another thing you want to keep an eye out for is your parking. Make sure that you have enough parking around whatever you're renting in order to get people in and out in a timely manner. Second, buy. You can purchase and renovate a building for much cheaper than ground-up construction. And you're not just limited to a building that was formerly a church. Consider also big box stores in your area. A lot of times, they will have working plumbing, HVAC, all which come to a great cost savings for you. And as a bonus, they often have a lot of parking. Third, now it's time to build your dream building. Choosing the right partner early on can maximize your potential for cost savings through value engineering, pre-purchasing materials, and budget-driven construction plans. Be sure to like and follow for more.